Project student attendance with the speech recognition. We're going to start with the Android application. I already installed this Android application with the acronym SASR, student attendance with the speech recognition. So I will show you the interface, both interface Android application, which is used for recording student data including voice, and for the verification part. Also, I'm going to show you for the interface of the website of the system, where we will have admin and the instructor. So the Android application, I'm gonna click this application and open. This is the interface of the application. Welcome to student attendance using speech recognition. Actually, this is the home page of the Android application. So click to the navigation drawer. You can close and open. After opening, this is home page actually. Also for the registration part, or you can just click redeem me. So this is the user manual of this application. It contains how to register and how to take your attendance, to verify your attendance. Also, this is the registration part, where the student will register him or herself by filling first name, example maybe Tom Brady, registration number maybe TU Dom 100. Then you select the student will select the program which is or is taking. Example, maybe the student may be studying computer science, business information system, or software engineering, wherever. Click this. So these codes or programs are returned from the Flask backend server to the Android. We pass them from the Flask or from MySQL database to Flask, then we to the Android application. That's why I observed here. We did not encoded them. So after that, student will register. Okay, please record your voice. So we need to record the voice. The Android application will prompt a dialog box where the student will read all phrases in the dialog box, where the Android application will be recording audio, just like this. The student will be able to verify him or herself. So after that, the student will click register. When you click register, you will be told registration successful, registration successful. There are two registrations successful. The first registration successful means that the form has been submitted to the Flask server, backend server. And the second registration successful means that the form has been received and saved to the database successful. So if the server could not upload this form to the database, it could return maybe internal server error or wherever error from the server. After that, we're gonna train the model, and I'm going to show you how to train the model, where admin will train the model, how the model take process. So the student will take verification. Also will select the course. Example, maybe currently the class session just studying system analysis and design or introduction to Linux, like this. Also the student will record the audio and click verify. Then the Android will send the audio to the Flask server, where the model will predict. After prediction, will return if the student not registered. Will tell that the student is unknown or not registered. If the student will be predicted, the Flask server will insert database data into the database and return the prompt to the user. So I'm gonna click record the audio. Proceed and click verify to take an attendance. So the student will click verify like this. As you see, dear Muita Joseph with session number TUDOM 203, your attendance marked successful for the course introduction to Linux. So this is how the model verifies the student. Also, if the student try to verify again, the model will disagree that this student has already taken an attendance. So click verify. As you see, dear student Muita Joseph with the session number, your attendance already marked for the course introduction to Linux. So if the current session is Linux, the student will mark attendance. Also, if he or she tries to record the attendance again, the system will disagree that this student has already recorded attendance for that course. I think this is how the Android application part works. So the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how the interface of the website appears. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. This is FYP projects. If you like it and you need it used as a FYP, you can check me to send you the source codes of this project. So don't forget to subscribe and share this channel.